After an accident, I noticed that the guide ring over here was damaged and will need to be replaced. Start off by removing the main rotor plates. Now remove the pin. Now the guide ring should slide off easily. There it is. Here is what we're going to be replacing it with. Now you have to attach the bearings to the guide ring. Observe which way they go. The balls must face towards the outside. Carefully slide it over and push it on. Then with a pair of pliers, squeeze it gently until it's flush. Now you're ready to reinstall it. You'll notice the rotor shaft has a flat face and the guide ring can only fit one way. Slide it on and then replace the pin. Make sure the hole is well aligned. Push the pin all the way through. Like that. Now you can reattach the rotors. Pop the bearings in first, and then with a pair of pliers the ball joint through. To check that it's all working, disconnect the power to your motors. Now, power up your helicopter. Make sure the ball linkage passes through the guide ring and can move freely. That looks good.